If you want to set a YouTube video on a loop from your desktop or mobile device, follow these steps. To loop a video from your desktop, right-click on the video itself, then click Loop. From the YouTube mobile app, it's a little more complex. First, you need to add the video you want to loop to its own playlist. To do that, click the Save button. This will automatically save it to your Watch Later playlist. But you'll want to create a new playlist. So click Change, then select the New Playlist option. Name your playlist, set its privacy settings, then click Create. Now click the Library tab at the bottom of your screen. This shows you all your playlists. Click on the playlist you just created and then click on the video inside it. Your video will start playing. This will pull up options to loop or shuffle your playlist. Click the loop icon and your video will now play infinitely.